In today's video, I'm going to teach you managing events in monday.com, how to manage events in monday.com, 2026, 5 minutes. First, log into your monday.com account so you're on your main workspace. From here, you'll create the structure that keeps every event detail in one place. On the left panel, click the plus add icon and choose New Board. This will be your central hub for planning, tracking, and collaborating. If you prefer a faster start, you can also use a template instead of building from scratch. In the template gallery, search for event management. This template streamlines setup by giving you a ready-made framework tailored to events. It often includes pre-built boards for RSVPs, planning checklists, and budgets, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You can keep everything or pick only the pieces that fit your event size and workflow. Templates are fully customizable, so think of them as a head start, not a constraint. Next, name your board clearly and set privacy to either main or private. Main makes the board visible to your team by default, which is great for cross-functional collaboration. Private keeps it limited to specific people, helpful for sensitive budgets or invite-only planning. You can adjust privacy later, but choose thoughtfully at the start to avoid resharing or moving data. Now organize your event tasks. Break work into logical phases such as planning, promotion, execution, and wrap up. Create groups that reflect these phases or use them to separate work streams like venue, speakers, catering, and production. Clear structure prevents clutter and makes ownership obvious at a glance. Within each group, add items for individual tasks, assign an owner, and set deadlines. Use people columns for responsibility and date columns for due dates. If timing matters across tasks, align due dates so dependencies progress smoothly. Keep status labels simple, such as not started, in progress, and done, so everyone reads progress the same way. Consistency saves time later. Set up attendee and RSVP tracking by creating a form connected to your board. Include fields for name, contact details, and any event-specific needs. Then add an automation so that when a form is submitted, a new item is created, the status updates to RSVP received, and the right teammate is notified. This ensures no response gets missed and your list stays current. Finally, visualize and execute using different views. Switch to calendar for timelines, Gantt or timeline for scheduling, Kanban for workflow, and chart or dashboard to watch budgets and capacity. Filter by owner or status for daily stand-ups, and pin your most helpful views so the team jumps in exactly where work happens.